So it's actually a murder mystery set in an arranged marriage setting, an Indian arranged marriage setting, a Punjabi marriage setting. That I think has not happened. You have Amish books doing well. Ashwin Sanghi writes, certain kind of historical thrillers, which is very interesting. I think there are many authors. Ravinder Singh is doing good work. Durjoy Jatta. These are all like people who want to read easy to read, interesting books. I mean, these are some of the authors. You are sitting at home in your drawing room. How do you know what really happened? And all evidence is coming now that he had issues. Psychiatrists have given statements. Top psychiatrists of Bombay. There are prescriptions. Several teams of doctors have seen postmortems. Mumbai police had made some statements. So many things have happened now. So I'm still saying I'm not reaching any conclusion. Let's wait for the investigation. Well, I wrote another book in the lockdown,
Okay.
and it's being edited now. But normally I finish a book and take a long break, but lockdown I had nothing to do, so I wrote another book. So there's another one.
All right, so today I have with me India's best-selling author, an author who needs no introduction at all. I have with me Chetan Bhagat today. Chetan ji, welcome. How are
Hi,
you?
I'm very good. I'm very good. How are you doing?
I am doing really well, and I'm really excited about your new book, One Arranged Murder. It's with me, and I've just started reading it, and I'm really enjoying it so far. But I want to understand from you. My first question to you is that all this while you've had these very different sort of novels coming out. They're more in the romantic genre. And this time, we see you sort of in a murder mystery sort of a genre. So tell me a little about that.
See, I also realize that there are many murder mysteries out there. So
Yeah.
I can't just write a murder mystery. It's going to not maybe that may not distinguish it that much. So I had to give a Chetan Bhagat touch to it. So One Arranged Murder is actually, if you see the title, it's one arranged marriage, and it's been cut and it becomes a murder. So it's actually a murder mystery set in an arranged marriage setting, an Indian arranged marriage setting, a Punjabi marriage setting. That I think has not happened. So I think, and that I can do because I've done a two states, I've done a story on friendship. So I can pull the past things that people like about Chetan Bhagat books,
Yeah.
and then I can add a layer of mystery suspense to it and make it a very unique kind of book that शादी में अगर एक मर्डर हो जाए तो and कोई चाचा है सस्पेक्ट कोई मामी सस्पेक्ट है. I thought that is not something that you get in Western mysteries so much. That is a very Indian thing. So
Yeah.
that's what I think makes the book different.
And I think, like, I see you posting about it on your social media also, like on Instagram, especially about the kind of response that people have been sending in, all these really good things that they have to say about the book. Also, another thing that I want to know from you is that a very interesting thing that happened with this particular book was that there was a trailer that came out, sort of to announce the book where we saw Vikrant Massey there. Tell me a little about that. I mean, why did you think that, sort of launching it with the trailer was important?
So the idea was that people will see a bit of video on their phone and they'll come across this trailer, and then they will, the trailer will end at a suspense point. It's more a teaser than a trailer because it doesn't, it kind of leaves you at when the girl is dead. So you want to find out what happened, pick up the book. One is that. And then the other thing was that we are releasing the book in the middle of Corona. It's not possible for me to go and do book launches. It's not possible for me to meet you face to face and do this interview. I have to do this long distance. So a video trailer helps us a lot in that. I can just post the trailer, we can promote the trailer only, and then that travels on its own without me having to go there. So I think that was some of the reasons we thought, okay, let's do it, because we are releasing the book in the Corona is not gone. We were going to come in April, and then we are coming now. But no, there are no movies. There's nothing. We decided, okay, let's take the risk and do it.
Yeah. And ट्रेलर या टीजर जो भी है वो बुक का आ गया है, ठीक है, बुक भी रिलीज हो गई है. नाउ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वन थिंग इज दैट आपकी जो भी बुक्स है उनको फिल्म्स में काफी अडेप्ट किया गया है, एंड ऑल ऑफ देम हैव डन सो वेल, right? Do you think that could be a possibility with One Arranged Murder as well? Do you see that happening?
Maybe our web series. Now we have wonderful OTT program platforms and everything. Yeah.
So
So I think I'm very excited about that. About like Netflix or Prime or something like that. So let's see. first the book, let the book come,
Yeah.
and people need to do the book well.
And while the world out there really loves reading Chetan Bhagat books, they really enjoy it, be it whatever genre it is in. I want to know from you, what do you enjoy reading? Who's your favorite author? Do you sort of have like a favorite author that you just pick up the book and you really sort of feel good reading?
I read everything. I read any book that recommended. I don't have a favorite author thing. I'm very lucky that people wait for my books,
Yes.
but I don't have an author like that actually.
You don't. And if you had to, if since you just said that you don't have a favorite author and you do read everything, if you had any recommendations, that you would possibly.
Yeah, you have Amish books doing well. Ashwin Sanghi writes, certain kind of historical thrillers, which is very interesting. I think there are many authors. Ravinder Singh is doing good work. Durjoy Jatta. These are all like people who want to read easy to read, interesting books. I mean, these are some of the authors, right?
Okay, lastly, a very important thing that I think I would really want you to sort of talk to me about is that you've been very vocal about the Sushant case, and you've been, ever since all of it happened, you've been going out there and really talking about the things which should not have been happening. And recently you also spoke about how you're not very happy with people who are questioning the AIMS report that recently came out. Tell me a little about this entire thing and what do you make of it now? All this past 4-5 years.
I personally, I do my book promotions every time a book comes out. This is my 9th book, so I've done it every time. So I'm doing a round of promotions. I'm promoting my book these days, and that's my job. So I think that's fine. Now, in those promotions, if someone asks me about Sushant, yes, I will speak what I think is going on. I think if you say you want justice, then justice is a fair investigation and a fair court trial. That's justice. To me, that is justice system. Justice is not on TV. Justice is not a panchayat, like a panchayat happening. Justice is following the justice system of India, which I respect. And I think we should wait for that to happen. And people are reaching conclusions, and people are saying that if the conclusion is not what I have in mind, then it is not justice.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Then you are just trying to be right about what you imagined or what you assumed, and you may not be, because you are sitting at home in your drawing room. How do you know what really happened? And all evidence is coming now that he had issues. Psychiatrists have given statements. Top psychiatrists of Bombay. There are prescriptions. Several teams of doctors have seen postmortems. Mumbai police had made some statements. So many things have happened now. So I'm still saying I'm not reaching any conclusion. Let's wait for the investigation. And it's not right to jump to conclusions before that.
Okay, so your book is out and it's doing really well. Is there anything else that you have coming out in the near future that you would possibly tell us a little about?
Well, I wrote another book in the lockdown.
Okay.
And it's being edited now. But normally I finish a book and take a long break. But lockdown I had nothing to do, so I wrote another book. So there's another one, which is almost ready. So hopefully we'll not. Normally I release a book every 2 years, but maybe this time I'll release within a year.
Okay, so
because of the lockdown. Lockdown has some benefits. Some work is done.
Yeah. Okay, so we're expecting another book from you very soon then. And I am looking forward to, sort of finishing it soon and talking about it more. Thank you so much, Chetan. It was really nice talking to you. And all the very best. Really looking forward to this and the other upcoming books that we have from you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.